Hey guys, welcome to Blair's vlog. Today we're riding it now, Ken. Hee hee hee.
Wait, there's a camera.
Oh, we'll say hello to the camera. Oh, he was AENDS. He's got his slash 9.7. It's a pretty nice bike, not gonna lie. But you know what it is even better? The pink slash. And we got Xavier joining us today on our little trip. The two Allardyce brothers in blue, besides this idiot, no ways in white. It's the dumbest idea. We're gonna go into dust. Hey Xavier. Stupid idea, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Go on, grab your bike, son. He's on a trek as well. Hashtag Comet Cycles represent. Alright, now let's have a look at this security camera. Oofy, that's what they call it. Oofy security. G'day, mate. How are you? Is that like wireless or something?
I can hear what you're saying.
Hey mum, hey dad! Baby Xavier's our bike. Give us a little rundown, mate. What is it about? Tell us what the bike's about.
Track Fuel X7.
Mm-hmm.
I send on it.
He sends on it. How about you? He just chucks a dildo on the end of the seat and just rides that instead. Still pedaling.
I still feel so warm.
Anus. Zanus. Anus. Send it, send it, send it, send it. Oh, he's gone shopping me goppy. Oh, yes. Fucking hell, that last one is so shit. Yeah! Dickhead rides mountain bike. Enduro line. Nice line. Rail and nut down. Oh my god! Oh! Yeah, spread your legs, boy. Oh shit! That was so cool! Oh, oh fuck. Right, next. Oh yes! Nah.
No, it's probably fast line.
You reckon?
Yeah, it is.
At this time. So we're basically just finished a ride, so I can't be stuff recording, but that's alright. A short video. Hey Zain and Xavier. Yeah? I'll add the Instagrams and YouTubes if I have them. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and that's it. Bye.